Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to deal with duplicated data. So we start to find the duplicates. Then after, we remove the duplicated data. So write data.duplicated in the brackets. Put a comment. This find duplicated data. Now, after running your cell, you can see there is one true, means there is only single duplicated data. The function above returns false for the rows which are not duplicated, but it returns true for those duplicated data. Data.duplicated bracket.sum will find the sum of all duplicated data. It means it will return how many numbers of rows are duplicated. For our case, we have only one duplicated row. So I hope the output of this cell will be 1. As you can see, we have only single duplicated row. Now we are moving on how to remove the duplicates. Data.drop underscore data.drop underscore duplicates brackets keep single quote last. Put a comment. This drop duplicated data except the rusty occurrence. It means it will delete first duplicated data and keep the rusty occurrence duplicated data. Except for the first occurrence. Now, as you can see, it has kept the rusty, that one, while it have deleted the first to occur. Data.drop underscore duplicates bracket keep is equal to single quote first. Put a comment. Drop duplicates except first. It means it keeps the first to occur while it deletes the last to occur. Now, as you can see, it has kept the first row while deleted the last. Those are the two techniques on how you can deal with duplicated data. You can keep the first or you can keep the last. But the last method or the last technique I'm going to teach you is to keep false. It means it will delete the first and the last occurrence. It will delete all duplicated data. Without checking the first occurrence or the last occurrence. keep false. So as you can see, it have deleted all 2 rows. The row which duplicate with its corresponding similar row. This drop all duplicates first plus last occurrence. Yeah, that's it.
Thanks for watching. The next video about Python pandas will be uploaded tomorrow at 2 p.m. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for next video update.
Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.